Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Let's start by gathering the necessary tools for this repair. You'll need a Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter for testing the heating element. Make sure to have a clean workspace and some microfiber cloths for cleaning purposes. First, unplug the Dyson HP04 from the wall outlet to ensure safety while working on the device. Next, using the Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the unit. There are typically 4 screws that secure the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel away from the unit. Be cautious not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. If you encounter any resistance, check for any remaining screws. Now that you have access to the internal components, take a moment to inspect the heating element. Use the multimeter to test for continuity. If there is no continuity, it's time to replace the heating element. If you don't have the tools for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring a hassle-free experience. To remove the faulty heating element, locate the screws holding it in place. These are often small Torx screws. Carefully remove them and disconnect any wires attached to the heating element. Make sure to note where each wire connects for easy reassembly later. Take your time with this step, as forcing connections can lead to damage. With the old heating element removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new heating element in the same position as the old one, and reconnect the wires according to your notes. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Before reassembling the unit, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the housing. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe down surfaces, ensuring optimal performance after the repair. It's essential to keep the internal components clean to prolong the life of your Dyson HP04. Now, carefully replace the back panel of the unit, ensuring that all clips are aligned correctly. Reinsert the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws. With everything back in place, plug the Dyson HP04 back into the outlet and test the heating function. If you follow these steps correctly, your heater should be functioning as good as new. Remember, if you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle repairs yourself, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation and offer a quote before repair. In summary, replacing the heating element of your Dyson HP04 is a straightforward process when you have the right tools and follow these steps. Enjoy your newly repaired device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.